This video introduces how to connect to MariaDB database and then how to create tables, insert records into it, and then retrieve records from the table using SQL commands. Essentially, we are going to learn three SQL commands: create table, insert into, and select. We'll create the table shown here. The table is meant for storing English words. The name of the table is word master. Word ID and word are attributes. Remember, it is always a good practice to associate an identifier, preferably an integer value, to each record. Here, word ID is used to uniquely identify a record in word master table. That is, ID1 refers to the word anticipate. Word ID2 identifies the word behavior. To connect to MariaDB database, type mysql-u followed by username IT1862 followed by -p. Enter the password. Now that we are connected to MariaDB database, type show databases to list the available databases. We have two databases, IT1862 and Information Schema. Information Schema is a system database. IT1862 is a database created for this user. Let us create a table inside IT1862 database to store English words. The SQL command to create a table is create table followed by the database name IT1862 dot the table name word master. So we are going to create word master table inside the database IT1862 followed by the attributes word ID int word is of type text. Semicolon is mandatory to terminate the statement. Now that we have created the table word master inside IT1862 database, now let us insert the first record. The command is insert into database name dot table name word master followed by the attributes that we want to insert. So we want to insert word ID and the word followed by values of 1 comma anticipate single quote semicolon. So single quote is mandatory for text attributes. So now that we have created the first record, now let's create the second record. Insert into IT1862 database name dot table name word master followed by the attribute word ID comma word values of 2 comma within a single quote behavior. So now that we have created the second record, insert into database name IT1862 dot word master followed by the attributes word ID comma word. So it means we are going to insert word ID and word followed by values of 3 comma within a single quote difference. Now that we have created the third record, now we will insert the fourth record. The command is insert into IT1862 dot word master word ID comma word values of 4 comma within a single quote type curiosity single quote close the parenthesis semicolon. So now that we have inserted 4 records, to view the records, the SQL command is select attributes word ID comma word from database name dot table name. So here is our records. anticipate, behavior, difference, curiosity. To display the list of tables of a particular database, you may use command followed by show tables command. So currently the default working database is none. So to change the current working database, the command is use followed by the database name IT1862. So now the database is changed. So IT1862 is the working database. So to list the tables under this database, type show tables semicolon. So we have one table word master in IT1862 database. Type quit to come out of MariaDB prompt. In the next video, we will see how to add another column to the existing word master table to store the respective meaning of the words.